Experience short-term corporate and year-round apartment living in the heart of Saratoga Springs. The Pavilion Grand offers a perfect downtown location, coupled with the perfect living space of home. Studio, 1 and 2 bedroom apartments with high ceilings, large light-drenching windows, rooftop common spaces, private terraces, and exclusive penthouses with private rooftop gardens.
Life is good at Pavilion Grand. The amount of people we get to meet every day and learn their everyday lives has brought a lot of joy to my life, as getting to know them, knowing that they live here, what they like. We talk different food recipes. It's just a bunch of different fun things every day. We have the best location. We are within walking distance to absolutely everything you need in Saratoga. Our residents that currently live here are wonderful. They're friendly. The staff is friendly. We're all helpful.
Residents also enjoy on-site dining, as well as spa services.
The big thing about Saratoga is you have everything. SPAC, which is an amazing venue for great bands, and at the same time the ballet. Then you have, of course, the Saratoga track, which is amazing, and we're looking forward to that this summer. But also just the atmosphere in Saratoga. It's a laid-back atmosphere, but at the same time, you still have a big city feel to it, which is really nice.
The Pavilion Grand is located just steps away from Broadway. Make Pavilion Grand Executive Apartments your next home.